The falcon, one of the most fearsome and powerful predators in the sky, is unleashing all its power on the prey under its sturdy legs. There is no chance of escape for the small prey. The falcon quickly pins it down to the ground, like a nightmare suddenly falling from the vast sky. The falcon's strong legs do not hesitate, do not show mercy. The little bird struggles, hoping to find a ray of survival. But before the invincible strength of the hunter, all efforts seem meaningless. The harsh nature does not allow for moments of weakness. Each fragile feather is plucked out. Each ray of hope of the prey is gradually extinguished. In the end, nature is left with only cold cruelty. Survival does not leave any way out for the weak. Nature is beautiful but also cruel. It is where survival is everything. Let's explore more vivid and harsh moments from the wild world with wild wings. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any wildlife videos.